Bianco. Why the name? Because Bianco, or white, looks great with anything. White is a color that is achromatic and the opposite of black, which has no light at all. That is why we chose it and began to look for a natural white marble. Today, in fact, the collection offers 3 different versions of Calacata marble, an onyx and 2 types of travertine, all of which are white. Unique selling proposition. The product is market-focused. It offers 6 types of marble in a new 90 by 180 centimeter format that can be used on both floors and walls. This means that if a 90 by 90 format is placed at the bottom, or all the tiles are positioned horizontally, a height of 270 centimeters can be reached with just 3 tiles.